Hi, my name is Tania. I'm your inner soul guide and founder here at Museflower Retreat and Spa, and I'm here to help you to connect with your soul. So today we're back for another video on our new lunar cycle card reading, and this is the cycle from March 13 to April 10. This is part of our 12 Cycles of Soulful Magic, which is an online wellness project that helps you to connect with your inner light. So through videos like this, introducing the theme for this lunar cycle, tips to how you can immerse better into the cycle, the theme of the cycle. We have mindful movement videos with Kun-A, and also free guided meditation from me every lunar cycle. And we post a new video every Friday, so don't forget to subscribe for every update. All right, so let me get into this lunar cycle. The theme is the word support. And the key message, or you can say the affirmation, is I have all the support I need. I have all the support I need to be my true self. As you guys know, I have already written a blog for the card reading for this lunar cycle. If you want to read more in details, I will leave the link below, or this video is just like a brief summary of what the main message of the card reading is. This is the card we picked for this lunar cycle, and the card is number 2. This is from the Soulful Woman guidance deck, and it's number 2, self-renewal. As I clean out old energies, I have more space for that which wants to be birthed into my life. So obviously the key message for this cycle is all about decluttering, and it's sort of like spring cleaning time, right? And if for those who live in Northern Hemisphere anyway, this is the perfect time for spring cleaning, and if you're living in the Southern Hemisphere, think about it as autumn cleaning. So when it comes to decluttering, I want just to share a quick story with you. Actually, this is from a friend, and she said that when it comes to decluttering, she always invoke her divine presence first before she go ahead, because especially when she finds it difficult to decide if she should throw away something or not, it's really coming from the mind. And so when she connects to that divine presence that we all have within us, and so we are kind of experiencing reminders of that we're experiencing the world through the eyes of the spirit with a big S, or the universe, or you can say God, or creator, source, light with a big L. When we experience, I'm going to use the word spirit with a big S. So when we experience the world through the eyes of spirit, we see things differently. We don't have those emotional attachments to our belongings and possessions. Really want to remind you that, of course, for anything that we do, really bring in your spiritual support. Even coming with like decluttering, it seems like maybe something's very easy. But sometimes there's more to the eye to see. So bring in your spiritual support team, but also invoking your own divine presence. Sometimes we also call it our I am presence, and how to invoke that, which is coming with your intention, right? The more, of course, when you're delved into meditation and in your own spiritual practice, the more you can reconnect with that divine presence within you. If you want to learn more about the I am presence, I invite you to check out my blog, which is linked below. And inside my blog, I also have included a link of a very informative article. It is a esoteric concept, so I understand it's not for everyone, but I encourage you just to stay open and just to be open with the information receiving, and just be open to experiencing your own divine presence in your own way. So a really good affirmation for this lunar cycle that I use also very often, especially now that I'm making this video, is also I have all the support I need. I have all the support I need. And this support, it's not just coming from the mental space, it's coming from the energetic space, coming from the universe. Divine is always conspiring to help us to co-create what we are here to do. So just having trust in that, and just repeating this affirmation for yourself. I have all the support I need. You can also customize this affirmation in any way you want. So for me, actually, I feel that for this lunar cycle, I have all the support I need to be my true self, my true authentic self. Maybe you have another goal in your mind, maybe you have all the support you need to achieve your dream, or maybe you have even just decluttering, or I have all the support I need just to make this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this lunar cycle card reading. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet this time, and in my next video I will share with you my 9 tips on how you can get started with decluttering for your physical body, your emotional, and your mental bodies as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!